emotes in MultiVersus don't work. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step, okay. The first fix for solve this problem, okay, you go to the here, okay, in the Windows search, okay, and go to the put, okay, the services point mcc, okay, here, and you enter, and here you have this section, okay, the your services, okay, and you go to the here, okay, update zone, okay, and you right click and properties, okay, and here you go to the recover, here in the recover, and you go to this option, okay, the enable, okay, actions, you click, okay, and applicate and accept, okay, and you solve the problem emotes, okay, on MultiVersus don't work. Bye bye.